Hi everyone! If you're looking to lose thigh fat, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be showing you 5 simple exercises that you can do at home to help you achieve your goals. These exercises are easy to follow and don't require any equipment, so you can get started right away. Before we dive into the exercises, let's talk about why it's important to focus on losing fat in specific areas of the body. It's important to note that spot reduction, or the idea that you can target fat loss in specific areas of the body, is a myth. In order to lose fat overall, you need to focus on making lifestyle changes such as eating a healthy diet and getting regular exercise. That being said, incorporating exercises that target specific muscle groups can help you tone and shape those areas, which can lead to a more defined and toned appearance. Now, let's get into the exercises. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats are a great exercise for toning and shaping your thighs. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and slowly lower your body down as if you're sitting back in a chair. Make sure to keep your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 2. Lunges. Lunges are another great exercise for toning your thighs. Step forward with one leg and lower your body down until your thigh is parallel to the ground. Make sure to keep your back straight and your front knee behind your toes. Do 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg. Exercise 3. Plie squats. Plie squats are a variation of squats that target the inner thighs. To perform a plie squat, stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart and turn your toes out to the sides. Slowly lower your body down as if you're sitting back in a chair, making sure to keep your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 4. Leg lifts. Leg lifts are a great exercise for toning the outer thighs. To perform a leg lift, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and slowly lift one leg out to the side, making sure to keep it straight. Do 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg. Exercise 5. Inner thigh leg lifts. Inner thigh leg lifts are a variation of leg lifts that target the inner thighs. To perform an inner thigh leg lift, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and slowly lift one leg out to the side, making sure to keep it straight. This time, however, lift your leg in a sweeping motion across your body towards the other leg. Do 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg. That's it. These are 5 simple exercises that can help you tone and shape your thighs. Remember to keep your form correct and to take breaks as needed. With consistent practice, you'll start to see results in no time. Don't forget to pair these exercises with a healthy diet and regular cardiovascular exercise for best results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you